So we are staying at the Coronado Springs Resort just for one night before our cruise. We decided to upgrade our room to a one-bedroom deluxe suite, which comes with club access. This is a moderate Disney resort. It is really pretty in here. We are just getting back. We went to go look for some Star Wars stuff for Jen. So we're just getting, yeah, we didn't find anything. We went to Lakeland Antique Mall. Hi, we're back. Okay, hold on. So this is where we're staying, the Disney Coronado Springs Resort. We are staying inside of the tower. You can see how beautiful it is. Down there you have like a bar, sitting area. So we're actually going to head up. We just got back from Lakeland Antique Mall. We were looking for Star Wars antiques, toys for Jim. It was a bus, we didn't see anything. Just a bunch of scary looking dolls. But yeah, so now we're gonna go up to the club. We're gonna see what they have for food, grab a bite to eat, and then we need to pull together. We're participating in leave a bag at the door on the cruise. Tomorrow we board a ship. That's why we're here in Florida. Getting on the Carnival Mardi Gras, excited.
Soda.
Get a soda. Okay.
Hi.
This is where we Chronos.
Our video didn't take last time.
So let's see what we have for food.
You can't take it. I can't not like that.
Cauliflower, rice.
Ooh, that looks good. Okay. What is that? What is that? Wait. Let's find a table first. Let's find a table. Where do you want to sit? What's over here? Just some salads. Bread. Let's find it. You want to sit here? Let's sit back there. I'm okay with sitting back there.
All the way to the corner?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see what they have.
Here you go. You get it?
Yes. That's chicken. Okay, so we just left the Chronos Club and we are currently staying in 9250. This is a one-bedroom suite. Like we literally just came here, dropped up our suitcases, and went straight to the Chronos. And we went to the Antique Mall, which was in Lakeland, Florida, which we did not find anything. But that's okay. So this is how we're spending our pre-cruise day. We're staying in the tower. This is a moderate resort, although for the one night stay, we're at right about $1,100 for this one bedroom with club access, which is a little bit heavier than typically we would spend for a pre-cruise stay. My kids were here March and they just loved staying club here. They said I would like it, so I'm just trying it out to see you know, if we come back as a family, do I stay here or do we go to the yacht club or do we go to Polynesian? Because we've tried both of those resorts and they're beautiful. But this was very nice as well. But to me, this is still pricey for club access for a suite. I think it's pretty pricey. Yeah, so this is the room. Jim isn't happy about it. He didn't want to spend the money, you guys, but you know what? Hey, you pay for what you get, okay? Had we gone to dinner tonight, we just ate dinner upstairs. Had we gone to dinner tonight, that would have been an easy $200. Had we done like somewhere downtown Disney Springs. Yes, and we're celebrating Jim's birthday. His birthday is on the 12th, so we are cruising because it's his day. It's his birthday. So this is the room. So literally, like I said, we just dropped off our suitcases, went straight to the club, had a little snack, and then we went to Lakeland, Florida to do a little antique shopping. That mirror's a little dusty, you see that? We're doing like a little bag exchange tomorrow on the Mardi Gras. We're gonna go head out and do that.
I want everyone, next 16, next 17,